guys, this is Theodora and Greekandsimple. This beautiful spring day I'm going to take you for a quick walk to Washington DC, where we spent our spring break this year. We visited all the monuments we could for the only one day of good weather we had there. Here are some of the shots of where we've been. We visited the Washington Monument, the Korean War Veterans Memorial, Lincoln Memorial, Martin Luther King Memorial, Vietnam Veterans Memorial, Jefferson Memorial, and World War II Memorial, and of course, a couple of museums. I'm not gonna spoil everything, so you will see them yourself when you visit Washington. Of course, something else we loved in Washington DC was the spring blossom trees. We had so much fun here and we loved walking and eating at some nice restaurants. I'm going to put in the description below some of my favorites so you can check them out yourself. Going back home now to set the table for Easter. Spring is flowers, flowers and flowers, and all their beautiful smells. First, I'm setting up my table with all the pastel colors that I like. This year I'm going to make a surprise smashable egg for each of my guests. Let's see how I'm gonna make it. First, I place the candy melts in the microwave safe bowl and then pop it to the microwave until they melt. Using a spoon, I cover an egg-shaped silicone mold. When I cover them all, I pop it in the freezer for a few minutes to set quickly. Then very gently I remove each of them from the mold. I add the stuffing that I want. This time I'm using a sugar-coated almonds and sprinkles. You can use anything you want. Now warming up some water in the microwave in a flat bottom bowl makes the bowl warm enough to melt a bit the one side of the egg. Then put them together and hold for 5 to 10 seconds to stick together. And ta-da! The eggs are ready. If you don't have candy melts, you can use chocolate to make these eggs, and of course you can stuff them with anything you like. The idea I just got is to make few of them with some extra surprise. Easter.